more appropriate to recognize on this first year than the gentlemen who are going to honor this evening?
The Weather Channel would not be where it is today without Jim.
You've met Jim Cantore. What is he really like?
He pushes us and he inspires us to be better each and every day with an enthusiasm that really never seems to wane.
He's the real deal. And Jim, you are.
His leadership and his contribution, I think, to public safety in this country goes well beyond the impact that he's made at the Weather Channel.
So, Jim, thank you for all you do, and congratulations on your well-deserved award.
From the Hurricane Center, the Storm Prediction Center, Flash. I mean, we are all in this together to save lives, and we're driven to do that. We are on the same team, and that is what is so important about tonight.
We get you prepared for what's to come, but how can you actually prepare your home? That's where Leslie Chapman, my good friend and CEO from the Federal Alliance of Safe Homes, comes in. We always hear us on the Weather Channel talk about preparedness. What Leslie does is say, hey, I'm going to protect your home.
Well, if you go to flash.org, you can get all kinds of information about how to protect your home. So certainly this time of year, the #1 insurance loss comes from frozen pipes.
And a big way to do that is through advances in weather science. So, Jim, can you talk to us a little bit about that aspect of it?
But the key is, as meteorologists, we need to let people know certainly the types of disaster that's coming their way.
Well, we're here at Epcot at Walt Disney World at Stormstruck.
You can come down as well with your family and enjoy a great interactive event and find out how to protect your home from the elements.
Stormstruck is where you come in, you have a 4D story unfold with 3D glasses, and you learn all about weather, but then you get an extra as you leave. You learn how to protect your home and your family.
But you know what's great is we can actually build a better house. We can build a safer house.
I love helping people. I love getting people out of harm's way. I am driven to that task, and I'm driven to that task on the Weather Channel. This means the world to me tonight. I will never forget this. I am just awestruck. Thank you very much.